Find or read reviews that people are talking about Gityso wireless HDMI display dongle adapter. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 1 click to connect. The wireless HDMI dongle do not need to download any app, driver, and do not need to connect Wi-Fi, just 1 click to connect to get the convenience of wireless streaming, wireless screen projection. Connect the dongle to HDMI port of your device, power the dongle on, find the mirror function button, then the connection is finished. Get up and running in 10 seconds with a true plug-and-play experience. Solved the problem of traditional HDMI cable and wiring connection. Screen sharing. This wireless HDMI dongle adapter supports AirPlay mirroring for Apple iOS and Mac systems, and supports Miracast standard protocol for Android and Windows system. When the wireless HDMI adapter successfully mirrored to a large screen, the screen also can be switched between landscape and portrait through the switch button. Ultra HD resolution. Our wireless HDMI dongle adapter supports 4K Ultra HD decoding, 1080p/60 Hz output quality. You can enjoy clear and vivid images in a large screen, perfect for school class, business meeting, live sports games, parties, home theater, and more. Mini size, portable and travel friendly. This wireless HDMI display dongle is designed for easy carry. Mini size so you can put it everywhere in your pocket and bag. Ideal for carrying on business trips, vacations, and family gatherings. Suitable for various devices. Our wireless HDMI display adapter is compatible with many devices, such as smartphone, tablet, laptop, PC and camera, no delay to mirror picture, movie, live show. From various app to TV. Projector and monitor. Please note, apps with HDCP video copyrights protection, which means you need to pay for subscribe, may not support for mirroring, like Netflix, Amazon Prime Videos, Hulu, Vudu, and others. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.